Welcome to Melody, our decentralized music platform for artists. To access any of the features, firstly, you have to register as a user. Now, you can see as we are registered as a user, we could explore the entire platform. Here, music converges with blockchain. You could see registered artists on the main page. Now, we are going to the profile section and we could see our profile. If a user wants to register as an artist, he would provide his name as well as his profile image for being an artist, and then he would sign that transaction. After signing the transaction, you could see the profile. Being an artist provides us many features like uploading music, etc. Here, the user is uploading the music and his track would be stored in IPFS. After signing that transaction, his track would be saved automatically. And when they're successful, he would go to the Explore Tracks section and the added song would be present in the screen. He could interact with the song, play the song, and control its progress by the progress bar. Being an artist also provides you the feature of creating a collaboration. Here, you would provide the address of another artist, and the profits of the song would be shared equally. You add the song details and then create a collaboration. You sign the transaction, and once the collaboration is completed successfully, you could also view that song on the tracks page. Now the user is going to the tracks page, and here you can see the collaborated song is also present. When we open that song, then we can see the name of both the artists who have collaborated for the song, as well as we also provide a feature to add a comment for a particular song. Here, while adding a comment, you can see as we sign the transaction to add the comment, afterwards the comment is visible on the platform. Now, we go to the artist section. Here all the artists are listed, and our profile has a tag named Your Profile. And here when you click on a particular artist, we could see all the songs provided by him, and we could listen to any of them from here also. And clicking on the like button, we could also like any of the songs. After signing that transaction, the song would be liked, and we could view it also from our profile. Then going to the Explore section, the main feature section of our platform, here all the artists, the recent hits and the recently added songs are all present. Here we could also interact with any of the song we're playing. Our custom music player encapsulates all the features of a proper music player and provides all the facilities needed for a good user experience. Now, the user is interacting with the song, and we also provide a feature for the user to mark any of the artist as his favorite artist. Like here, we are signing a transaction to mark Asphalt as our favorite artist. Now, when we go to our profile section, we would be able to see the profile of our favorite artist as well as the favorite liked songs by us. Last but not the least, our platform also provides an AI bot which helps us to interact with various platform features on our request. Thank you for onboarding our platform. Let's build together.